Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to know about how to lasso and move in Sketchbook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sketchbook app. And once you open your Sketchbook app, all you need to do is simply press on the grid light option. After you select it, select the selection option, and from there select the lasso option. So after it, you can surround any of the images you want, and after you surround the image, all you need to do is simply move it with the help of the lasso you have kept around it. Simply tap on it and move it as per your liking. So this is how you lasso and move on the Sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.